Hi everyone, welcome back to the Clock Shop. This is Jim with JR Clocker on eBay. Today we have a Hermle 350-030A. This is a 43 centimeter wall clock, new old stock, Westminster chime movement. Anyway, it's in really nice running condition. It's nice and clean. It comes with a hand nut. It's all ready to go. So you're looking for a 43 centimeter, here it is. It does not include the pendulum because it's not the right pendulum for the clock anyway. All right, listen. Subscribe, and as we are always putting these videos up on our YouTube channel and in our eBay store, JR Clocker. Thank you for stopping by.